Here's a recording of a solution to number 11 from section 4.3. We're asked to find what intervals is the graph concave up or concave down. Here's why. And of course, if we're going to look at concavity, we're going to look at the second derivative. But first we have to find out what y prime is. The derivative of this first section is going to be 2. The derivative of this second section is going to be negative 2x. And this is going to be while x is less than 1. And this is going to be while x is greater than 1. Now, we may have to ask ourselves, well, what happens at exactly 1? Well, what happens at exactly 1 is that from the left-hand side, the derivative is 2. From the right-hand side, the derivative is negative 2. Those two derivatives don't match, so the derivative does not exist at x equal 1. Let's go ahead and go to y double prime, where the second derivative here is going to be 0, and the second derivative here is going to be negative 2. And again, this is while x is less than 1, and this is while x is greater than 1. What do we see? Well, what we see is that when x is greater than 1, and going all the way to infinity, we are going to be, well, it's negative, so we are concave down. What about here, where the second derivative is 0? Well, in that particular location, the curve is neither concave up nor concave down. So we have concave down, and that is the answer to the B question. Answer, where is it concave up? There's no place where it's concave, no intervals where it's concave up.